sabi nga natin, hindi lang pwedeng minerals present under the earth or beneath the earth. Even our body has minerals. And then we have macro minerals versus micro minerals. Pag sinabi natin macro minerals, these are the large needed portion of our body. Okay? Pag sinabi natin micro minerals, they are small portion or kailangan kahit maliit na needed ng our body. And then, pag sinabi natin macro minerals, since kailangan natin siya madalas sa bodies natin, for example, phosphorus. Okay, phosphorus and calcium, they are what? Nutrients that contributes in bones. Very good. Okay, bones growth development of the bones. Tama? Sodium. Para sa si sodium? Sodium, ito po yung tumutulong para ma-maintain yung balance ng salt sa ating bodies. Okay, yung mga electrolytes. Yan, yung mga Gatorades. Alam mo yan? Pocari Sweat. Yes, yun ang sodium. And then potassium, para yan sa bones pa din. Muscle. Potassium is good for the muscles. That's why a lot of athletes eat banana before the training. Okay, sino kumakain ng mga bananas dito? Ayan. Favorite, no? And then iron. So iron, kailangan po yan for the production of our blood. Okay? And then micronutrients. Micronutrients, ito class, yes, micronutrients po, kailangan pa rin siya ng body natin. Pero, in a small portion pa lang din. No? Iodine. Ano ba function ni iodine? Iodine is the one that controls for the production of hormones. Specifically in our thyroid. Okay, that is iodine. What else? Zinc. Zinc, immune system for the cell growth. Yung mga madaling maghilong na sugat. Okay, zinc yan. Fluoride is for nipple. Very good. And si chromium. Ano si chromium? Si chromium po, ito yung nutrients in our body or minerals na tumutulong para po makontrol yung bilang ng sugar level or makontrol yung sugar level natin in our bodies. Understood? Okay, so lahat ba yan importante?